we are the Charge Labs at the University of Windsor, Center for Hybrid Automotive Research and Green Energy. So big name, we shortened ourselves to Charge Labs. So our main research focus is on electric vehicles basically. So the major components of electric vehicles, that's what we work on. So design, control and testing of electric machines. So we predominantly deal with electric motors, all sorts of motors. So different topologies, different configurations, different powers. So whatever high speed, low speed, high power, low power, we have worked with, or we're working and we've worked with all sorts of machines. And our other major category is where we test different kinds of motors. So we work closely with different OEMs, and whenever we get a motor for testing, an actual traction motor, we have a big upscale or a high scale electric powertrain tester, which goes up to about 14,000 RPM and 150 kilowatt. So big battery, big voltages. So we exactly emulate what is an electric vehicle environment. We control the cooling conditions, control the temperatures, and we get to know how the motor performs at different operating conditions. And we have also worked with different national laboratories and different material groups to analyze what are the different materials, innovative materials that should be going into a motor, so that we can reduce the weight and cost of the motor and maximize the performance of it. And the other aspect is the control. So we are investigating into different topologies, again different components that should be going into it. So the overall big picture or the objective is that we want to get maximum power and minimum weight and cost. So it can be for different components in the powertrain, but that's where we are heading towards for an electric vehicle application.